Hey guys, my Jeep update, and it is I believe Thursday the 21st. This is just a real short update, not really doing a whole lot. I had laser eye surgery, left eye, 2 days ago. I'm not supposed to do much. I did a little bit, but it really didn't take any effort. I put a new battery cable clamp, that is, on here on the negative side. Tomorrow I'll probably do the positive side. I'm just not gonna work too hard. Probably this weekend, if I feel up to it, I'm gonna put this install this push valve and hornet, and I'm hoping it's going to take care of my small evap leak, the P0442 I keep complaining about, keep seeing. Anyway, if I feel up to it, if my eye feels up to it, I got to check in with my doctor tomorrow, and they told me that I should be able to go back to normal, exercise, work, whatever I'm doing after about 3 or 4 days. Okay, that's it for right now. Like I said, short update. I'm gonna get it out so y'all know what I'm doing, and I really appreciate the subscribers that I'm picking up, new ones and the ones that have been with me for a while now. Damn, I know it's not much to a lot of people, but I got 251 subscribers. I'm really proud of that. I'm not making any money off of YouTube. I'm just doing this as a hobby, and if you see something I do right, you can use it, but you might see some mistakes that might help you out, keep you from making the same mistake. That's my goal. All right, my Jeep out. See you on the next one.